stand. Whispers of the moonlight grant your gaze cuts through night's facade. In this moment we are awed. Shadows dance on silent streets, caught within a sea of dreams. Your gaze cuts through night's fuss and still, a gentle rush, a soulful thrill. Eyes meet, hearts beat, feel the magic, feel the heat. In this night under the sky, our souls collide, we're flying high. Echoes of the stars above, melodies of newborn love. In the quiet we can hear whispers close yet crystal clear. On silent streets, caught within a sea of dreams. Your eyes meet mine and time stands still, a gentle rush, a soulful thrill. Eyes meet, hearts beat, feel the magic, feel the heat. In this night under the sky, our souls collide, we're flying high. And echoes of the stars above, melodies of newborn love. In the quiet we can hear whispers close yet crystal clear. Every heartbeat sings a song, in your eyes I find where I belong. Tapestry of woven light, in the hush of gentle night. Moments like these never fade, in the dance that lovers made. Our spirits whisper soft and low, in the moonlight's